Hi guys and girls, today we're looking at gradient. And gradient is just a maths way of giving how steep a slope is, a number. Okay? There are two types of gradient. A positive gradient, which from left to right, the line's going up, and a negative from that gradient, which means from left to right, the line's going down. So moving up is positive, down is negative. Okay, now to give that a number that we can count, we use the formula rise, or the up and down bit, over run, or the across bit. Okay, and to show you how that's calculated, I'll just do example 1. Okay, so in example 1, you've got the rise and the run of the line. And the first thing we do is look for points. And they've marked them with little dots here. And those are the points where the line goes through a definite point on the grid. So you'll see at 2, 1, it goes through the cross. At 0, -3, it goes through the cross. So those are the points we've chosen. Okay? The first thing we do from those points is count the rise, and that is how far the line moves up and down. Then what we do is count the across, and that's how far it moves across. Okay? So counting the up and down, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we stop because it's in line with the run. Okay, we got a count of 4. So in the rise part, we write 4. Okay, now we do our run. 1, 2 across. So for the run part, we write 2. Okay, and that's a fraction. So the run goes on the bottom, the rise goes on the top. Okay, now this is heading in a positive direction, so it's all positive. So we can just say m equals 4/2. Okay, now for the super switched on, they'll see that 4 is double 2, and that fraction is just the same as the number 2. 4 halves make 2. Okay, so just to summarise the steps, the first one is find your points. And that's the points where it goes through the cross. The second one is to count your rise and run. So you count your rise and run, 4 down, 2 across. And then finally, you sub in. So where you see the rise, you write your rise number, and where you see the run, you write the run number. Okay, and if you do that each time, you should be right. Hopefully that was helpful. Bye guys and girls.